So you might be having an issue where your account is restricted on Facebook. Now, this is a very interesting thing because it's not super common, but it still can be easily solved. And usually the good news is it's usually temporary. This is not like a full blown, like every single second is going to be there for the rest of your life. It's pretty much temporary as long as you pretty much didn't go against their terms of service too crazy. So essentially what account restriction is basically the best way to describe it is your device in your account, you pretty much were posting some crazy things. Maybe you went around and just like went through and just kept posting some things like that were against their terms of service. And their terms of service are long. So if you're posting a bunch of like crazy political stuff or you're posting like lewd photos, things like that can end up causing some issues with your account. And that might be the reason why you're seeing this little account restricted option. Now, another reason it may be happening is because it was random. Maybe you did nothing wrong. So both the reasons why this may be happening, you want to do the exact same thing. What you're going to want to do is click this CY option. Now, from everything that I've seen from all these other posts that I've read, including from Facebook, they basically do mention of at least going through and appealing that decision. So you can go through and troubleshoot a restricted account. So in this case, like I said, if you were posting some crazy things, if a ton of people reported you and different things like that, the best thing to do in this specific situation is to go through and just click on CY and see why your account was restricted. It may be because you posted some crazy thing. It might be because you shared some random thing or you upload a video, whatever the case is. You want to click CY and basically see why your account was restricted. From there, you should be able to go through and hopefully get it, a specific, appeal done. And I think by that point, you should be good to go in that situation. Again, it's not a guarantee, but that is basically the main way to go ahead and basically appeal your account. Now, you can always try going through and updating the Facebook application, seeing if there is an issue randomly with your account that might be widespread. So update the Facebook app. That might end up at least giving you a little bit more closure. And that's usually the main thing I'd recommend doing in this situation. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.